Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Amy and I am currently 24 years old and I have struggled with acne for over a decade. My main mission on this channel is to document my journey towards having healthy skin, a healthy mind, and a healthy body. In today's video, we are targeting achieving healthy skin. Today's video is in collaboration with a well-known K-beauty skincare brand called Pyunkang Yul, and I'm sharing with you guys how I've been able to use these products to calm my really inflamed, acne-prone skin. You may know that I have been on a holistic health journey for a couple of years now, really just trying to find the best practices, techniques, products, and medicines to heal my body naturally from the inside out. And that is why brands like Pyunkang Yul really excite me. Pyunkang Yul actually uses the original skincare recipe from the Pyunkang Yul Eastern Medicine Clinic in Korea, which is really well known for its holistic healthcare. They care about their ingredients. They don't include any harmful ingredients like artificial colors and fragrances because those can wreak havoc on sensitive acne-prone skin like mine, as well as your hormones as well. If you have PCOS like me, then you know how hard it can be to actually balance your hormones. And a lot of these products out there nowadays can actually do more harm than good, not only to your skin, but also to your insides, including your hormones. So it's really important for me to not add more damage and to not cause more trouble to my hormones and make it as easy as possible to balance them. I'm so excited to share with you guys today the new Pyunkang Yul calming line, which was designed and formulated for skin like mine, which is very acne prone, inflamed, and sensitive. In their line, they have a calming deep moisture toner. They also have a calming moisture barrier cream, as well as a calming moisture repair balm, which is the Balm. These products were made for combination in oily skin types, and if you're like me, then you have some pretty oily skin. And in just a few weeks of using these products, I have seen such a huge difference in the oil production of my skin compared to other products that I have used. Not only do these products have quality ingredients that are good for your skin, they feel luxurious on the skin, they're really accessible, and they're also super affordable. These products are cruelty-free, non-comedogenic, alcohol-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, allergen-free, and fragrance-free. As the cherry on top, all of these products have been clinically tested to help acne-prone skin. The key ingredient in this line is called Centella asiatica extract, which is also known as tiger grass. This ingredient is proven to calm acne and inflammation. It has active compounds called madecassosides, which has antioxidant properties, and we all know how important antioxidants are for the health and glow of our skin. It also has amino acids to help hydrate and calm inflamed skin. Here is a before and after of using the products within a 2-week period. I noticed a lot of inflammation as well as breakouts went away, and I'm so happy with the results. The Calming Deep Moisture Toner is really lightweight and it has no fragrance and it feels so good on the skin. All of the products have really pretty high quality packaging, which is important to me. And the toner has a really nice controllable dispenser, so not a lot of toner spills out at one time and there will be no leaking. And I like to apply it directly to a cotton pad and put it on directly after cleansing my face. Immediately after I apply it, my skin feels healthier and cleaner, and it just feels so good. It's clinically proven to be safe at treating acne-prone skin, and it's also shown to reduce oil and sebum production. AHA and PHA ingredients help to smooth out the skin texture and remove any dead skin cells. It contains Centella asiatica, which is tiger grass. It also contains tea tree as well as hyaluronic acid, which all help to hydrate, soothe, and calm inflamed acne-prone skin. The Calming Moisture Barrier Cream also has no scent. It's a really, really nice lightweight feel, and it feels very hydrating and moisturizing on the skin. This is like the perfect moisturizer for my really oily skin. So after the toner sets, it is time to moisturize. I love that these moisturizers have another lid to protect the product on the inside, and this moisturizer just feels so good in your hand and on your skin as well. I like to dot it around my face and then just go in and really take this opportunity to give myself like a facial massage. It helps the fluids in your face move around a little bit, and it feels so good. It is clinically proven all-natural skincare for acne-prone skin. It is formulated to help strengthen the skin's moisture barrier, which is a really big deal for us who are really oily, because the reason why we get so oily is because our skin needs that hydration. So that really helps with the oiliness. And it also helps to smooth out rough skin as well as like enlarged pores and things like that, which I definitely have. It contains squalane, which goes deep into the skin to moisturize the skin without necessarily clogging the pores. And it also has shea butter, which we all know how amazing shea butter is. It really helps to add some antioxidants into the skin. It has fatty acids. It helps to really moisturize the skin and control oil production as well. Last but certainly not least, we have the Calming Moisture Repair Balm, which helps to seal the deal. It has my skin feeling and looking good all day long. And when I apply it, I feel so luxurious because it's so thick and it feels really, really good on the skin. So once the moisturizer sets into your skin, it's time for the repair balm. Whatever you do, don't skip this step because this feels so good. I love this product so much. Again, I like to just dot it around my face a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, and I always like to work it down the neck as well. A little of this goes a long way. You could use it all over the face or just as like a spot treatment for certain areas. It has 5 hyaluronic acids, so you know it's super hydrating to the skin. It also includes 2 peptides for acne spot care to help reduce inflammation. As you guys know, acne is really inflammatory, and I've really struggled with that for a really long time. So that's why this barrier balm makes my skin feel so good all day long. As someone who has really oily skin, I also have really inflamed, red, acne-prone, sensitive skin, and a lot of other moisturizers that I've tried, like at the drugstore, really don't do much for my skin. I end up with an oil slick by like midday, and that has completely changed with using these products, and I'm so happy about that because my oily skin has been a really big insecurity of mine for a long time. I love these products and what they stand for. They're such an important part of my everyday routine, and they really just feel like a luxurious part of my routine as well. I love the process of applying them and just how they feel on my skin. If you have inflamed, sensitive, acne-prone skin like me, I know you will love these products as well, and you will love how they feel on your skin, and you'll love what they do to your skin as well. I'll have some links down below so you guys can check out these products and purchase them for yourself. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like and comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.